Alright, what's going on everyone? This is your boy Andrew here, back at again with another video. And today we're going to be talking about how to make $100 on YouTube, all for free, you guys. So there's a couple things that you're going to need in order for this to work. One, you're going to need a YouTube channel. In order for you to get paid $100 straight up on YouTube, you're going to be monetized. You have to be monetized through YouTube. So there's a couple rules in order for this to work, because YouTube is always changing the rules. In the description below, I'll leave all you guys my course on how to make money on YouTube, how to surpass the monetization process, how to get past the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 hour watch time threshold, you guys. So I'll put the link in the description below. Feel free to check it out, sign up, and I'll help you guys step by step how to do this. So as you can see up here, it says monetization. It says account status monetization enabled. It says you can see the videos you're monetizing and make changes in your video manager. So it says welcome YouTube partner. Congratulations. You're ready to start earning money from your videos. So once you guys get this okay on monetization, you guys are good. You guys are going to start making money. So the second tool that you guys are going to need in order for this to work is called Google AdSense. You're going to need to create an account with Google AdSense in order to get paid, you guys, from your YouTube channel. So what Google AdSense is basically a platform where you can display ads on your website and get money, you guys. It's very simple and it's free. All this is free that I'm telling you guys. Let us grow your revenue while you focus on growing your business. So if you scroll down, you guys, it's legit. It shows you examples on how it looks, how it's going to look on your website and everything, etc., you guys. So Google AdSense has been around for many years. There's over 2 million people using it right now as we speak. This is not a scam. This is legit. We have real people working behind this website, you guys, and real people paying us as well. So Google AdSense, very simple. You're going to click sign up now, create an account, confirm your email, and you're ready to go, you guys. So I'm going to be showing you my screenshot payment that I got from Google AdSense from my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you the payment that I got from Google AdSense for this month on my YouTube channel, because they pay monthly. So I'm going to show you the quick payment, you guys, screenshot right now. So let's do it. So making your first $100 on YouTube is possible. If you guys really want to learn how to make your first $100 on YouTube today, check out all my links in the description below. They should help you guys out. Check out more playlists of mine. I show you free ways on how to do a lot of stuff on YouTube. So I hope you guys like this video. I just showed you my screenshot of the payment I got from Google AdSense from displaying ads on my YouTube channel. So it's legit, you guys. I got my $100 payment from Google AdSense and it's all for free. I didn't have to pay nothing out of pocket. It's all free, you guys. So if you guys got a YouTube channel, go ahead and start throwing videos up, start getting subs coming in, start sharing your content with everybody, whether it's your friends, your mom, your cousins, anybody, you guys, and it will work. Once you hit the 1,000 subscriber threshold and 4,000 hour watch time, you will go to this window right here. You will just log into your YouTube account and go into Creator Studio, and then you would just go down into channel and then go to monetization, and then it will configure itself, you guys. It will tell you step by step on how to get monetized. You click the enable button. There's going to be a review process, and then they're going to email you back telling you the answers, you guys, whether yes or no. You will be monetized and you will start making money like literally today. So this is exactly what I did to get paid from YouTube, Google AdSense, and it's all legit. It's under my name. It's in my bank account. Make sure you guys check out my course below and all my videos I have to help you guys launch your YouTube channel and start making money today. So I hope this video was good to your knowledge. Smash that like button for more, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more future content coming up. So with that being said, y'all take care and God bless.